Hi everyone, welcome to Lazy Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. Today I've got for you exercises to relieve back pain. There are a few exercises you can do every day and you're gonna be standing or sitting way taller afterwards. Here we go guys, let's do this. So the first thing I want you to check, because if you're here it means that you've got a bit of a lower back tingle and we need to release that. So let's start straight away talking about our lower abs. Lower abs and core is everything that sustains. So if we are finding ourselves in this crunching position, we need to already suck. It's not really sucking, but pulling up like you're wearing a corset. Therefore, once you've done that, your bum engages as well. So you pull up everything to give space to the vertebrae, to breathe. So from here, what I want you to do is bend your knees already. Check your alignment with hips, knees, and toes. They don't go in, they don't go out, they don't do funky things. So toes nicely spread on the floor and pulled up. Check where your pelvis are going. Your pelvis should go straight down. Think of your tailbone going all the way down, not tucking in, all the way down. So what we're gonna do now is use the top of the head, nose goes towards the belly button. So from here we release, nothing else moves. So we release down, your tailbone still goes down, but your nose wants to go towards your belly button. So you scoop everything up. So you're rolling over. Roll over, roll over, roll over. From there, come back and roll back up. Very good. We do this a few more times. Roll down, suck everything up towards the ceiling while your head is going down, and come back up. Don't think about the shoulders nice and relaxed. And again, roll down every time. Scoop those abs up towards the ceiling. Head is relaxing down, tailbone is going all the way down, and up. Make sure that you don't tense anything else. And again, down, down. Breathe. Roll back up. Very good. Couple more. And down. Scoop. Nose towards the belly button. And breathe out. Last one. Roll down. Very good. And roll back up. Very good. From here, let's think about going up and over a tray to the back. From here, open up the chest. This time, think of opening those shoulders. Open up the shoulders towards the ceiling. Again, your tailbone should be going down, not down the back. And come back to straight. And again, up and over. Open up that chest, open up the shoulders and come back. Very good. If you want to, you can even use the arms and reach up towards the sides, palms towards the ceiling and back. So you feel that nice slight stretch in the upper body. Very good. Up and back down. Few more. Open. Think we're going up and over the tray that you've got at the back. Sustaining your upper back and down. Keep concentrating on this lower abs part as well. Don't let it wobble. Don't let it move. And again, breathe in and up and over. Open the chest, open the arms. Feel the nice and slight tingle. And come back. Very good. From there, release the knees. Give it a shake. Very good. From here, bend your knees. I want you to go back down again. Very good. Scoop that belly button. From here, we're gonna go slide to the side. Arm towards the ceiling, arms towards the floor. Very good. From there, stretch both knees. Think of still concentrating on the lower part. Very good. Bend back down. And release towards the center. Very good. Other side. Hair it away. To the side. Open up the chest. Hand towards the ceiling. The other one towards the floor. Pull. Stretch your knees. Feel the sides. Keep on pulling towards both directions. Very good. Release. Roll back forward. Very nice. Towards the first side again. To the side. Arm towards the ceiling. Open up your chest. Towards the floor. Stretch your knees. Pull up, pull down. Both in both directions. Very good. Release down. Go down towards the floor again. Keep scooping. Don't forget about the scoop. Open to the side. Oh, heard a click. And up to the ceiling. Down to the floor. Stretch your knees and pull. Very good. Open, breathe, breathe. Open up the rib cage. Very good. And down. Roll back up. Shaky, shaky. Another thing that you can do to relieve that back pain, always think of opening up the rib cage, pulling up even more. Chest, head, everything. So it's not just about the posture, it's how you use those muscles, the core muscles. Core, it's not only the abs, it's everything that is inside to sustain the spine. Remember that the spine has got muscles that sustain on outside and the inside. So we want to work them both. Very good. From here, bend your knees slightly more in this time around. Again, check the alignment. We'll work on stability as well. From here, take one knee towards the chest. Very good. Keep it there. Pull it towards you. Again, tailbone going towards the floor, not tuck it in. Towards the floor. From here, stretch the supporting knee and pull that knee towards your chest even more. Very good. And bend. Very good. And pull up the supporting knee. Plant that foot on the floor. Knee towards the chest even more. Squeeze that butt. Don't tuck it in. Tailbone going down. Very good. Keep pulling up. Chest open. Open the rib cage. Pull up to... Where's the ceiling? Pull up from your ears. It's like someone pulling up from your ears. Yeah. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Very good. Bend and calm down. Shaky, shaky. Other knee towards the chest. Control the supporting foot. Control the supporting knee. Don't let it wobble. Very good. From there, straighten the supporting leg and pull that knee towards the chest even more. Leave the hip where it is, tailbone going down, opening chest, pulling up the ears. Very good. And rebend supporting knee. Very good. Keep concentrating on your lower abs as well. Remember, don't tuck it in. This is not good. Keep pulling nice and straight. Very good. From there, one more time. Breathe. Stretch that supporting knee. Very good. Pull the bent knee towards the chest even more. Go, go. Pull chest open. Chin nice and straight. Up, 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 up. Pull and release down. Very good. Give it a good shake. Last thing. From here, slightly wider. Knees going up, no, not in. So if it's a bit too hard for you to hold on to, bring it in a little bit. It's nice and easy. We're gonna go, this time, pelvis forward, pelvis back. Pelvis forward, pelvis back, yeah? But we want to concentrate on those lower abs doing the movement, not the quads, not the hip flexors, only the lower abs. So we're gonna go. It's a little bit of a little shaky dance. So we're gonna go forward and back. And every time you come forward, you squeeze the bum as well to go neck and back and forward and back again. And don't move anything up here. Isolation and back and forward and back. Again, forward and back and forward and back and forward and back and forward and back. Very good. This time we go figure of 8, figure of 8, figure of 8. So hip goes forward, around, back, forward, around, back, forward, around, back, forward, around. Very good. Very good. And little dance. Little dance. Say again, back to the center, forward and back. Forward and back. And forward and back. And forward and back. And forward and back. And figure of 8. And figure of 8. Figure of 8. Figure of 8. Again. And up. And out. And out. Very good. Shake down. Give it a good shake. And very well done.